Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. For today I have the promised full review about the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Tilbury. So let's get started. There is no smell to this product. Yeah, you can scent something. I can't place the smell, but it isn't that heavy flower smell that I don't like that much. This one is important to shake before you use it because there is mica in it, and mica will slide down in the product, so there is more at the bottom than on top. So when you shook it well, you apply it, and this side I'm going to apply by brush, and the other side I'm going to apply by finger. Oh, it's in my hair. That can be pretty too. Okay, by brush. So I am treating it just like a normal foundation and bounce it in. Can you see that difference between I've got the Flawless Filter on my face and I don't have it? It really gives you that filter, reduces the redness, gives you that healthy glow, and gives you the feeling of a very rich, hydrated skin. And that's something I like about this one. Yeah, so this is by brush. So you can really bounce that into your skin. If you think I've got a little bit of redness left on my surface, you can also go back in with the product. Do you see that difference? It's shocking, really. This is really a filter, and this is the natural side. Reddish, more blotchy. Yeah, and I really love this tint that's in it with my skin tone. This is the number 2 Fair, but this is by brush. Let's move on by finger. So this is the second way how you can apply it to your skin, and I am just blobbing it everywhere. And I like to swirl it around and really get it into my skin. I'm taking the brush and go bounce it in a little bit. So on this moment there is not much of a difference between the two sides. I really like to get it on my face by finger and place later on a foundation on top of it, only in the center of my face. So the rest of the Flawless Filter is there, but I think it's more natural with a foundation on top of it. So it isn't that shiny at places that I don't want to be shiny, if you can relate to that. But that doesn't matter because we've got a powder and we can set everything, just a little bit of concealer, and then it's okay. Third way to apply this product is on top of your foundation. So first you do your foundation, skincare foundation, and then only at the points that you want that glow or a little bit extra coverage, you can put this product on top of the foundation. So let's say as a highlighter here, maybe a little bit at the nose or forehead, but that is all personal preference. I really like this product because I've got little lines on my forehead, and I don't have the feeling that they are that much visible. It's really that filter that cancels them out, and I feel more hydrated throughout the day. So that's really plus. The other thing is that I don't get that oily look at the end of the day. So I'm really happy with that, and it is a great product, even as primer underneath your foundation. So if this isn't coverage enough, just blob on some foundation and you're good to go. With this product, I tend to use a little bit more concealer. And this is a high coverage, full coverage foundation. So I can cancel out a little bit of that shine on certain areas because it's a matte concealer. You can see that the concealer is cancelling out some of that shine, but it's still there. And that's really a great thing, because if you use this underneath a matte foundation, you really have that natural glow. So, and if you want to tone it down, just take your face powder. I am using the Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent and the matte version. So underneath the eye, nose, because I don't like a shiny nose. I am not Rudolph. So you can see, if you use the translucent powder and you set all the areas that you like and you don't want to be shiny, then it is more natural than full face of shine. And I really am enjoying this beautiful product, because you know, it's springtime, you don't need that much foundation, just a little bit of coverage, but you still want to look fresh. So this is really a product for that. And I'm super happy that I bought it and get to use it now. I know I'm probably 1 or 2 years too late with trying it out, but I'm very happy. This is the review about the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. If you think after this review I like that product, I want it, the link is down below in the description box. I hope you liked this review, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!